In the year 2004, MVM entered the Iranian market with a car called MVM 110, a small city car which was a direct copy of Daewoo Matiz, a car with 800cc 3-cylinder engine.
Just imagine what else you can have with the money you save when buying a Chery. The all-new Chery QQ3, South Africa's most affordable car. All Chery vehicles enjoy the full nationwide support of McCarthy. Chery, more car, more life.
I don't want to spend time talking about the design of the car, as this 20 years old, small city car, purpose of life and reason of existence is clear. I want to quickly show you the very first car that MVM or Chery used to enter the Iranian market. MVM 110 production ended over 7 years ago. The car market share shrinked in final years of the production, so I couldn't find any of them on the streets. I searched online and found the people who were trying to sell their cars. The first car I found was truly a gem, a 20 years old 110 owned by this gentleman who purchased the car from the company, and he's the first owner of the car. Since then, he only drove it for less than 50,000 miles. Let's check the interior of the car. The interior is extremely basic as expected. As you can see, the car has nothing much to offer. You can adjust the air condition using the rotating type controls. The car has power windows and power steering, and this is the maximum it can offer. There are some variants of this car which come with automatic gearbox. Unfortunately, I could not take the car for a test drive. Around 2014, Chery released a facelift for 110 called 110S. After I filmed the first one, as I was going home, I spotted one on the road. I guess I was lucky that day. I immediately pulled over and asked the owner if he could share some insights. I told him I was going to buy one. Luckily, he agreed to help, and I got the chance to film the car up close. You may notice the rear door handles are integrated into the window frame, and that's no accident. It's meant to resemble the letter Q because the car's name in China is QQ. I sat behind the wheel and I genuinely liked the layout. There is a nice little circle above the center console that adds a bit of charm to the interior. But I was surprised because the car does not have a glove compartment. Compared to the older version, you can feel how the quality of interior have improved. However, the owner was frustrated. The car needed some repairs, but finding spare parts was a nightmare. He mentioned needing a new AC compressor, and it seems that it cost more than a new compressor for a Hyundai Santa Fe. I didn't get the chance to drive this one, but I found an alternative way. I can only imagine how easy it is to drive this car in crowded cities with intense traffic. The car was smooth, and I think if the car had automatic gearbox, it could increase the level of comfort for the driver.
This episode was an introduction to the car company Chery and, of course, its first vehicle which entered the Iranian market. After IKCO and SAIPA, Chery sells the most number of cars in this country. In the future, we will talk about this brand more. Alright, thanks for watching this episode. Please subscribe to my channel. I will see you soon.